Welcome to this positive lecture. I say positive because the title is Health Concerns, and I do not want the title to immediately make you start to be worried about your health. I am old, and you are probably old. Otherwise, you would not have enrolled on this course, unless it was to get an idea how to help a loved one. And we know there are a host of age-related diseases. But, and it is a big but, there are also a host of medical tests that you can do, and then strategies to adopt to minimize the effects or being ultra positive, even protecting yourself from being ill. Before we go any further, I remind you that I am not a doctor. I have no medical training, except for a brief appearance in Emergency Ward 10 many years ago. And I am not giving you medical advice. I am a professional actor with 60 years of experience in cinema, theatre and television and film. I have put together this course as I am old. I am learning how to cope with being old, and I'm trying to pass on advice. There, that is sorted. So remember, I am not a doctor. Here are some tests you could have. But remember to check with a medical professional about interpreting the results. And remember that there are various medical tests that are expensive and yet may cause more harm than good. That may tell you nothing useful, and in fact will just cause you to worry and be a drain on your finances. No, I am not in a position to tell you which ones. Remember, I do not give medical advice. Talk to your doctor. So my non-medical opinion is to check or have tests on the following: blood pressure, thyroid hormone tests, looking for moles. Skin cancers can take 20 years or more to develop. Dental exam. Gum disorders can be an important indicator of your overall health. Weight, especially weight gain. Colorectal screening. Prostate cancer screening. For women, a breast exam and mammogram for women. A pelvic exam and pap smear. Protecting your eyes. Eye diseases such as macular degeneration, cataracts and glaucoma are common with age. Screening can preserve and maximize your vision. A hearing test. At least 25% of people aged 65 to 74 have disabling hearing loss, most of which is treatable. That number increases to 50% after the age of 74.
I bid you good day. It's been great having this chat. Thank you, and all the best. Thank you very much. Good to talk to you.
If you've been talking to me,
Yeah.
I can't hear you. I'm deaf.
Oh, bloody hell.